to this channel. My name is Celin and I'm super excited to do this video for you guys. As you guys saw on the thumbnail, we're going to do a makeup look. And before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe. And now let's get started. We're going to start priming the face with the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. It's a blur and pore minimizer. So applying this on the T-zone. First on the T-zone and then and the rest of the face. I did 2 braids. I don't know, I feel like the 90s are coming back, especially with the 2 half ponytails all the way in the back. And then I saw a girl that she was wearing the braids like this, so I don't know, I thought it was kind of cute, and it brings me back to the 90s. Also, I don't know if you noticed, like all the makeup also going back to 90s. Lip gloss. For foundation, I'm going to combine 2 foundations, which are the Maybelline Dream Radiant Hydrating Foundation in the tone Vanilla number 5 and the Hint Skin Tint from Morphe in the tone Hint of Honey. And because the Maybelline it's too light and the Morphe it's too dark, so I'm going to combine these 2. Just a few drops, and on this side too, and then also the Morphe, just a few drops. Just start blending these 2. And if you missed we tried for the first time the Morphe Hint Skin Tint, so if you missed that video, I'll leave the link down below. Purple color is really coming this year, especially for fall, and I've seen like many palettes that have purple, like different shades of purple, also orange, brown of course, but yeah, I feel like the purple is coming a lot. I also saw that this palette from Urban Decay, a new one is coming. It's so pretty. You guys want me to do a video with the Urban Decay palette, and I think a new, I don't know if it's a foundation, but something for the face is also coming from Urban Decay. A little bit more. Blend this out again. I'm gonna do my eyebrows with the NYX Fill and Fluff in the color Black. So as you guys saw in the thumbnail, today we're going to be using the new Morphe palette. It's the 35C Everyday Chic, and then over here it says Morphe, and they have beautiful colors. I already did a makeup look for my Spanish channel, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave the link down below. But today we're going to do a different look. So these are the shades. They're gorgeous, they are beautiful. Like I said on my Spanish channel, I really love these green tones, and also, oh my god, this is so pretty. So let's do a swatch. I didn't do the swatch of this color on my Spanish video, so let's try this out. Wow, it's so glittery. It's so pretty. Let's do a swatch of this beautiful pink right here. Oh my, it is beautiful. Let's try another one. I'm trying this one, so let's see. Next to the pink. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love these colors. Oh my god, my favorite one is this one now. The first color I'm going to use is Chic It Out, the one over here. I'm going to use this one as a transition color. It's a nice color to do the transition. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Oh, okay, so the second color we're going to be using is Call Me Gorge. Oh, Call Me Gorge. It's this one over here. I'm going to use the same brush Oh, it's so pretty. I'm going to apply it on the crease and just bring this color in to the inner corner of my eye and slowly blending in on the outside of the eye. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I thought this color was going to be a lighter color, but it's more pinkish, but I like it. The color I'm going to use for the crease is called Enamored, and it's the one over here. So I'm just going to tap in this color, but because I want the makeup to be a little bit, to have a darker shade, we're gonna get another one. We'll just finish with this one. It's really pretty. I think it's gonna look nice by its own. I want to have a darker shade on this part of the eye. I'm going to use Total Mood. Okay. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Oh, it looks so nice. The last color I'm going to use is my favorite one, the one over here, which is called Talk of the Town. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this one with my finger. Oh, it looks so pretty. The middle. Okay, it's not in the middle of the eye. I don't feel like it's really grabbing the color. It's with a flat brush, not with a finger. And just apply this on the middle of the lid. Just wanted to make it something different. I always put glitter in the inner corner to the middle of the crease, and I just wanted to do something different. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. Oh wow, it looks so nice, so pretty, I love it. I'm just gonna clean underneath the eyes any fallout that I had, and I'm going to continue with concealer. So for concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline concealer. I feel like I need a lighter shade. I feel like it's almost the same as my skin tone. I'm just blending the concealer. The e.l.f. Camo Concealer because I feel like it's almost the same color as my skin tone, so yeah, it's much better. For eyeliner, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Matte Signature. I did a video on that, so I'll leave the link down below so you guys can check it out. And for lashes, I'm going to use the Ardell Wispy 122 lashes. Wait until the lashes dry. We're going to contour the face with the Parquet Princess Tarte palette in the shade Princess Cut. I'm just going to bring that on the nose. Use a little bit of blush from the e.l.f. palette. Use the Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last setting spray in the scent Mango Coconut. Oh, it smells so good. And to highlight my face, I'm going to use the Oh My Glow Jadis palette. I'm going to use the Aura color. Apply on my cheekbone, on the nose, on the chin, just a tiny bit. Again, I'm going to use the Milani setting spray. Combine the contour and the blush with the beauty sponge so we don't have any harsh lines between the contour and the blush. I'm going to use Enamored and Total Mood. So I got Enamored color and just, oh, this is really dark. I'm just putting Total Mood really close to my waterline so we have that darker shade effect. Use Pink Cielo for the inner corner of my eyes. In the inner corner of my eyes. For mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Collagen Mascara just to combine the lashes. For the lips, I'm going to combine the matte lip crayon from L'Oreal in Lavender Honey 513 with the NYX Butter Gloss Creme Brulee. And then I'm going to use the Creme Brulee. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh my god, I love the look. It's so pretty. And with the braids, I like how it looks with the braids, right? It looks cute. I really like it. I also wanted to tell you guys that on my Spanish and French channel, I used the same palette, but I did different makeup looks for each one, for Spanish and for the French one. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll leave the links on the description box. But so that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. Enamored. And call me George. My hair.
George, what's up with you and George? Give me George.